On Sunday, January 5th, 2025, a powerful storm system swept through the southern United States, leaving chaos, destruction, and storm scenes behind. The National Weather Service issued a 10% hatched area for tornadoes EF-2+. Later that day, only we would find out they were right. Around 10:38 a.m., the National Weather Service issued a tornado watch in effect until later that evening. Several tornadoes were anticipated. Around 11:42 a.m., satellite imagery was showing a line of supercells developing ahead of a cold front.
The National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Lincoln Parish, Northwestern Union Parish, Northeastern Bienville Parish in northwestern Louisiana, Eastern Claiborne Parish in northwestern Louisiana, until 2 p.m. Central Standard Time.
We were now approaching the core of the storm. Blinding rain and wind was whipping across the road very fast. We had to jump back south to go east. We were trying to get ahead of the system, but it was too fast and we were too slow. Eventually, once we arrived to our destination, we scanned radar on velocity and realized that there was rotation right above us. So we waited, and eventually it passed over the road and it dropped a tornado somewhere. At this point in time, we had no choice but to either go east or go back west to either get behind the storm or get in front of it. The more safer option would be to go west. We tried to get east, but later found out that was not a very smart idea.
Tornado warning remains in effect until 2:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. We soon realized the storm was rapidly escaping us and we had no chance or time to see the storm one last time. Therefore, we called it quits and went through the core of the storm just to wait and see it go past. Although we never saw a full tornado that day, there were definitely reports of tornadoes that had touched down near and around the area. Most of the circulations that day were rain-wrapped and hard to distinguish. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.